If you're working on Fiverr or Upwork and still haven't received your first order, listen carefully. If you apply these 5 tips, you'll most likely get your first order soon. These 5 tips are extremely important for every freelancer, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In my previous video, I shared 5 reasons why freelancers fail. In today's video, I'll give you the solutions to those 5 problems, how you can overcome them. Because if you manage to overcome these, your life is going to completely change. 1. Improve your experience and portfolio. For a new freelancer, the biggest challenge is lack of experience. You're new in the market and it's natural to feel a gap, a lack of confidence. You might think, can I actually do this? What if my work isn't good enough? That self-doubt comes because you haven't worked on any real projects yet. When you're new, getting clients is very difficult. So what should you do? Here's my honest advice. Once you've learned your skill, go and work in a related industry. Do an internship, even if it's unpaid. Usually, you'll still get something, but even if you don't, do it for experience. If you join a software house or a company related to your field, believe me, you'll learn more in those few months than you did while learning online. You'll see how actual projects are managed, how teamwork happens, and you'll meet people with experience. Their stories and advice will teach you things no course can. So if you've spent 3 to 4 months learning a skill, now spend another 3 to 4 months gaining experience in that industry. Once you've done that, you'll automatically start understanding how to build your portfolio and how to attract clients. At the beginning, take help from your friends and family. Look around. Who has a small business where you can add value? Offer your services. Whether you charge or not, I recommend charging a small amount and offering a 100% money-back guarantee. Tell them, if you don't like my work, I'll refund you completely. That shows confidence. It's better than doing free work because it builds trust and shows that you take your work seriously. If you're thinking long-term, that freelancing is your business and you want to build a real career, understand this clearly. You'll have to struggle for a year or more. There's no shortcut. If you're not ready for that, then honestly, this field isn't for you. 2. Marketing and self-promotion. Most freelancers completely ignore the power of marketing and self-branding. They think just creating an account on Fiverr or Upwork is enough, as if the platform is going to bring clients to them automatically. It doesn't work like that. Your skill is a product. Just like this pen, if I create this pen, it's my product. But the responsibility to sell it is also mine, not the platform. The same goes for your skills. If you want to sell your services, you must learn how to market yourself. You need to understand marketing because that's how you'll bring your product, your skill, in front of the right audience. Subscribe for second part.